Hi guys! In today's video I want to show you how to make delicious red currant syrup. Red currant help in increasing the body's immunity, cleans the body of toxins, support the circulatory system, improve the condition of hair, skin, nails and eyesight. First, collect red currant. Then 2.3 kilograms currant, wash and peel with green stalks. Next, pour 1 liter of water and boil it. Catch the currants and squeeze the juice through the strainer. Add 1 kilogram of sugar and cook for about 10 minutes. Pour into scalded bottles. Pasteurize syrup for about 25 minutes. And red currant syrup is ready. Now you can put it in your pantry and in winter enjoy the delicious and healthy taste of the summer.